This video tutorial explains the Luma Waveform function of the CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5-4WR, BM5-4, and BM7 to DS models. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Select Waveforms. Then choose Luma Waveform to add and enable this feature. On this page, there are 4 parameters you can adjust: opacity, load LUT, full screen, and position. Tap opacity, and you will see 4 options: off, 25%, 50%, and 75%. You can adjust the opacity of the Luma Waveform according to your needs. Tap Load LUT to view the exposure and color value status after applying the LUT function. Turning off Load LUT will show the original footage's exposure and color data. Tap Full Screen to view a more detailed Luma Waveform. Tap Position to customize the position of the Luma Waveform on the screen. That's all for the introduction to the Luma Waveform function of CINENORM series monitors.